Oh, the secret. He's ignoring you now. You're done.
You got a trigger for it? No, okay. Where? Right there? Right where?
We got a gay ass scar. And you got this awesome. Then you got Skippy over there. Some guy got a pimple on his nose.
Hop up! Fix it! Yes! What the fuck? I mean, oh darn.
The airplane, it's crappy.
You're not in Fellas, get out of here. You're in Fellas.
Get away!
Mega Miles.
Mega Ma!
Mega Miles. Fuck you then. I can shoot you with my Glock right now. FPS first person shooter.
Oh no!
FPS first person shooter.
Assist.
Oh, okay.
No, go!
Wait, stand still.
No, hell no.
You have a better gun than me and you still run away.
Come on! I just want you to stare down.
No.
Please. I'll pay you.
I'll pay you. There's Shane. He's a news member of Fellers. There's that bastard. No one cares about him. He's blonde.
Come on, bitch!
Gotta put my.
You want to say go?
You guys ready? Go! I wanted to say it. Let's go watch the sniper. There's Tom. Ow! I'm just kidding.
Dude, watch this thing. Watch the spray on it. Look at the stream.
Do it again. Holy crap!
Chicken shit.
I got that on video. That's awesome.
It's my baby.
Who's that down there? Miles. What?
Man down.
I need a medic over here.
Medic!
Come on, send your ass up. Yes.
What are you doing?
I ran up here.
This actually has good lighting at night.
Go away.
I'm Scout the doggy.
I'm like you. Trying to snipe here. This is my life. I mean, I love sniping. It's just amazing because I'm probably gonna get shot right here, right? Because I'm talking to the cameraman. I mean, look at that. I'm just sitting as plain as day.
Got your hand on the bolt and everything. I mean, jeez.
Yeah, I'm ready. Feel like I'm Rambo.
You should just run out there and quick scope them. No, don't do that. That's stupid. All this filming, I didn't film me at all. I'm the freaking team manager. What's up with this? This is piss! Get on top of an SUV to film. Almost tripped. Shut up. Oh, that's the rock over
I'm
there.
about to get shot. You're gonna get me on fucking camera getting shot.
You almost got him. Not really. You're off a little bit.
Go spectate Miles.
Look at Miles over here. Beating off. You got your bright orange tip. I see the thing so clearly.
Yeah, I know. No one had electrical tape for me.
They had it down there.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Who?
I saw him with it. It was just on the table.
I couldn't find it. I can't even see where my shots are going.
I'm kind of scared. I'm like a shot like Todd Falcon. Damn classic army shooting that fast. I'm walking up the middle. No, I don't give a shit. Just shoot me. I don't care. I'm out. You're bright orange tip too.
I can't barely see anything.
I know, I can't see a fucking thing.
Forgot about you, Shane.
What's up, dude?
What's up, bro?
What's going on, man? Camera.
Huge enough for Miles. I'm gonna sit down on these tires.
No, I can't see things.
That's going close by my head. Fail. I'm getting out the line of fire. Run, run, Forrest, run.
Sorry, kids. I had to do it.
I need to get photos now.
Where the hell are you?
I'm running! Hi. Hey! Mommy! Very nice, bye. Very nice. Ow, my foot got stuck. Holy sh. There's Todd. There's Corey. Holy damn. Don't shoot at me, I'm just a cameraman. I'm pinned down.
Hello.
I'm pinned down. Corey. Under there somewhere.
See me?
I know you. Oh, there you are. Yeah, now I see you.
Oh.
Shoot me.
You missed, Dustin. There's a spider crawling down my ass crack.
I'm gonna get it on video. Hi.
Hi.
Popped a pimple.
Oh, did you?
Yes, felt great.
Nice. Nice.
Then you got these two campers back here that won't go anywhere, and they could easily crawl from where Miles is at, right there, all the way up there, and go where Shane's at, but they're not, because they're pussies.
What? Dude, I can't see anything with these guns.
Alright.
Glasper's gone. Go get it.
You out?
I'm out of ammo.
Shane, give him your gun.
Low, 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 low.
He's out of ammo anyway.
Oh, still. I give you him. Oh, he has an aim.
Shit!
Everything's all blurry.
I'd say you could use my scar, but no. But no.
That's all good, dude. If anything happens, I don't want to be the one responsible. I'll just walk around with you.
Okay.
See what's going on. She's just like, fuck this!
Alright, now we're safe to walk on this side, because no one's on this side.
Alright. Oh wait,
Somebody's got food sometime.
On their team, yeah.
Oh, I was thinking.
Whoa. Hey!
Shoot,
Damn it,
Shane.
no.
The fuck? Who's hit?
I got Harbaugh.
Harball's out.
That was my doing.
It's getting dark, damn it.
It is getting dark. Can't see anybody.
I know, I barely saw Harbaugh. I saw him run across. You like hit like inside my vest, like right here. I came around the back corner and you were like sitting there, so I'm just like, pow. I can't see my BB, so I don't know if I hit you or not. I can't see shit. There. I ran out of ammo. So it's just Jeremy?
You can barely see him, but he's there. There's Harbaugh.
Got shot in my ribs.
Oh, damn. Sounds like someone's-
we get hit, we're gonna have problems.
Yeah, really.
Shooting over here.
I know, you kept shooting right at me.
Just yell hit. Just yell hit randomly.
Why?
Just do it. Miles.
Hit!
Who's hit?
I'm gonna try to move up to that
Hit!
bed.
I'm honestly.
Me.
Watch, you wanna see something funny?
Start shooting at him.
What?
Very
No, wait, I have no gun.
Which one? Which one?
One right in front of you.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go to it.
Okay. Okay.
Where's Justin?
On your run. He's back there sniping.
Justin, how the fuck do you even see?
Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, how do you even
Good job. Hurry up.
Shoot him, Clint.
You're a Clint.
I said Clint, not Clint.
I said Clint.
The guy I bought my bike off, his name's Clint. That worked in Huck and Roll.
Oh, yeah, that's finally selling eBay.
Were you
It's going to sell today or tomorrow. I don't know. Yeah, that was the most funny.
Couldn't even see. I call myself a splash. I was like, fuck that.
No one's even over there.
anymore.
Dude, as soon as we stand up, we're gonna
Hi, Mom.
Shane, are you in?
No,
I'm gonna
I
shoot
ran
you.
out of ammo.
You better not be in.
I'm out of ammo.
He's in.
Yeah, I'm in with no gun. You're out.
You need something, Todd?
Guy should start a fire, have a camp out here.
Hey, he needs cover.
Does he?
Yeah. So why don't you be a teammate?
Alright, hold on.
I'll be a feller.
Ginge, come on, you're out.
Wait!
Holy shit, that was close. I don't have any eye protection on either.
You want these?
Yes.
Say I'm leaving. So.
Oh, are you, dude?
Yeah, I gotta go home.